Where am I? I'm in a grocery store, a really big grocery store, because I got a ride from a friend. And I'm buying a bunch of things like this, sauce, so I can eat. But I'm in the self-checkout line, which is very confusing. A bunch of military guys here getting their stuff. This is the second time I'll go in a self-checkout line, and I guess I should learn how to do this. This is what the modern man needs, is learn how self-checkout works. I guess it's a basic skill. I don't like it. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'll figure it out. I can't video this because I don't think it's appropriate.